your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Roma Magistrates Court. Client was charged with repeat drink driving. This time it was a reading of .086, so low range. Low range is .05 to .099. As I said, it was repeat drink driving, so he'd previously been done on 3 prior occasions. They were all more than 5 years ago, but in his history he had a previous .081, previous .104, and a previous .03, so obviously .03 is under .05, but that was within a 12-month zero blood alcohol period that comes after a drink driving conviction. So as I said, so today was his 4th drink driving charge, but all of them were outside of the last 5 years. Technically, he was eligible to apply for a work licence because within the last 5 years he hadn't lost his licence, but for a number of reasons he decided against pursuing it. I mean, obviously the issue of convincing a magistrate that he's a fit and proper person to be given a work licence has its problems if you've got previous, but also he had a bit of leave coming up, so being, you know, November, quiet period in particular field he works in, he could have sustained a reasonable disqualification without a work licence, so he decided against applying for a work licence. So my job today was one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible. We got him to do the reformatory course we get all of our clients to do, got him to get references based on the template we provide all of our clients. I prepared my submissions a couple of days ago. I drove up to Roma yesterday, so for those who don't know, Roma is about a 5.5 hour drive west of Brisbane. I used to fly. There used to be a 6 a.m. flight that would get you to Roma at 7:10, which would give me plenty of time to get to court and get a cuppa beforehand and whatnot, but the flight's changed about a year ago, and you know, the earliest you can land is at about 9:40, and it's pretty much a one taxi town, so I would have struggled to have got to court by 10:15 if I had flown up this morning, and plus I enjoy the drive. So as I said, I drove up yesterday. I had a job at Richlands yesterday morning, and I just hit the road straight after court, and as I said, got here at about 4 o'clock yesterday. Met the client this morning, grabbed a bit of a corner and ran through my submissions, so what I'm going to say, what the prosecutor's going to say, what procedurally the magistrate's likely to say. As I said, it was a reading at .086 with quite a bit of previous. However, given where he lives, obviously Roma, given that he worked in construction, which is obviously a role that is very hard to do anywhere without a driver's licence, let alone here, and given that he had a bit of a quiet period coming up due to the time of year, I was pushing hard for the minimum 1 month. So the penalty range is 1 to 9 months. So the minimum was 1 month, and I was ultimately successful in persuading the magistrate to do that. So he was given a 1 month disqualification and a modest fine. Obviously he sits out that 1 month and goes and renews his licence at the end of it. He's obviously relieved and very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Roma Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that